starting with the activity. As you are able to see in front of you, this is a result of class 12. So we will be doing the same activity today. I will be preparing the same result first, and then after the result is prepared, we will be starting with the formatting part, and then the next I will be applying the formulas and the formatting, and the last part will be how to upload this. So let's begin with the activity. First, you have to come over here, that is to the mails. You have to go to the 9 drop, that is the Google Apps, and you have to start with the sheets. So it will take few seconds in order to load the sheet. We have to wait till the sheets are open. Yes, this is the first user interface you are able to see, and you will be able to see the blank copy. So we have to click on the blank copy and we have to wait for few seconds till the time it will be loaded. Yes, now it is loaded. First of all, I have to give a name to the sheet. So I will be giving the name as 12 standard results, as it is there in the activity. So the same formula or the same format we are using in order to give name. So step number 1 is giving name. Standard result. So this is the first part. We have to give a name to the sheet, so that with the help of this name I will be able to find out. Now as you are able to see over here, I'm just dragging it over here. As you are able to see over here, the first line is merged line. So I'm leaving the first line now and I will be coming to the next line. Serial number, then division, then roll number, then name, then accounts or accountancy, then we are having English as the subject. Correcting the spelling over here, it is English. After English, the next it is maths, economics, business studies, then we are having total, average, and then we are having grade. So this is the format. Now you are able to see business studies. It is cutting. So what I will do, I'll select business studies. Just at the top, you will be able to see horizontal alignment, vertical alignment. The third option, it is text wrapping. One more time, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and text wrapping. Click on the drop down box of the text wrapping and go for the merge cell. If you want exactly at the center, select all of them, horizontal align, center, and make it bold if you want. Now at the top what you are able to see, at the top you are able to see 12 standard results. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting from A1 to L1, and you will be able to see this merge cell option. When I'm clicking on the merge cell, all the cells will be merged and I will be able to write 12 standard result. I want this thing to be at the center. So just select this, make it bold, and center it is nothing but horizontal alignment, center. So over here there are 10 students. So I'm giving the serial number 10 and I know the division is A, so I'm just dragging it down. Again, the roll numbers and the serial numbers are common, so I will be copying that over here. Now after this, I require to give name. So the first name, it is Akhilesh, then it is Ruchi, then it is Bhavna, then it is Icha, then it is Chetan, then Niti, then we are having Chanchal, then Preeti, then Richa, and then Manish. So these are the names of the students. I have taken a pic of it in the mobile and I am typing from there. Now accounts. The marks that are given are 97, 69, 19, 76, 55, 84, 18, 93, 33 and 21. It is 21. Coming to English column over here, 36, 85, 72, 68, then it is 31, 57, 46, 93, 89 and 27. It is 46, 93, 89 and then last it is 27. Moving to the maths column now. In maths I am able to see 47, 86, 41, 40, it is 41, 46, after 46, 56, 68. I am giving exactly the same marks that is given in the activity. 51, 31, then 55 and we are having 84. Then moving to economics. Economics it is 13, then I am having 51, then 53, 11, 99, 30, 63, 93, 46 and then it is 82. Moving to the business studies over here, you are able to see 34, 53, 40, 22, 93, 31, 22, 20, 69 and 96. And I will be typing the grades. The grade is B plus, then we are having again B, then we are having B plus, then again B plus, then again B and a B plus. So in this particular format, I have just prepared the table. Remember, I haven't applied any of the formatting, no borders are applied. That part we are going to continue in the next video. So this part was all about preparing the activity which we have done it in a very easy manner.